Hey guys, it's Brad Stevens here, and in this training video I'm going to show you how to operate the graph drill. Okay, so before I jump into this, I just want to show you under audience drill, you've got these three different options, the three different modules of the software depending on which package you purchased. But for this video we're going to go through the graph search drill. Okay, so the first step is search criteria. Now what you want to do is you want to go and click on the drop down menu and you're presented with four different options. The first is pages, then favorite interests, then groups, then places. Okay, so let's jump into the pages one. Click on next. Okay, and next you're brought to the define search step. Okay, so in order to be able to edit these templates right here for the different searches, you have to first click on the one you want to edit, because if it's not checked, these drop down menus won't work and you won't be able to fill in text. Okay, so I'm just going to do a simple one for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to go with the first one. As you can see, they get longer and longer as you go down, and they switch it up a bit, and you can go and you can fill in these templates however deep you want to go into your research. But just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose people who like, let me think of this, let's say crochet. Okay, and as you can see, this is tied in with the Facebook API. So when you type in a keyword, you just have to wait a few seconds and a drop down menu appears, and you can go and you can select different pages directly from Facebook. Let's select that one. Let's click on next. Okay, and then you're brought to step 3, finalize search. And as you can see, you've got your graph search string here, and you've got an option to save this audience name, this search string to your dashboard. So all you have to do is name your audience, click on save to dashboard, and this will actually be saved to your dashboard and you can come and refer to it later. But the really cool thing is being able to click on search, and what this is going to do is it's going to execute the search for you in Facebook, so you don't have to copy and paste it directly into your graph search bar. Okay, and here we go. You've got a whole bunch of results here. Now the thing about the graph search is it is contextual. So you've got these different options thrown in based on what other people, your friends may like or whatever. But on the other hand, you've got some great different results you can go ahead and look at, such as Craftsy is actually an interest you can go ahead and target. Yeah, you got a whole bunch of different results here you can go and look at. Okay, so that's for the pages search, and as I mentioned before, you can go very deep, you can get very specific. So for instance, you could choose engineers who are older than 25 who like Batman and Superman, or who like surfing and skateboarding, and actually find crossover interests or results. So for example, if you were running let's say you were selling action sports cameras such as GoPros inside your ads, and you wanted to find some new, perhaps a new niche that both surfers and skateboarders liked, or you wanted to go ahead and you wanted to find an interest that is liked by both skateboarders and surfers, you would type that in here, go and execute the search within Facebook, and use that for your market research. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the criteria page. The next one is favorite interests. Okay, so now what you can do is you can go and, again, I'm just going to pick a one by random. You can actually search for real interests, and I'm going to show you something very cool in a moment. Just wait for this to load up. Okay. Click on next. Exactly the same process as in the other step. Click on search. Okay, and as you can see, it brings up some really cool results. Again, this is where you can find crossover niches or interests that you can target. As you can see, there's a field of study, there's an interest. So it's a very specific way to look for stuff that you can actually go ahead and target inside your ads. Great for market research and getting very, very specific results for really, really drilling deep. Okay, so let's go back once again. This is very repetitive. I'm just going through all the different steps. Okay, the next is groups. If you do group marketing, if you want to look for a group, let's say you want to look for a group, let's go with our first example with crochet or crocheting. What you want to do is you want to join those groups and perhaps post some product posts about your Amazon listing or whatever you may be selling in that niche. You can use this group option to go and look for all the best groups in your niche. I'm not going to go and type it in, but that's how you can use it, and here are the templates right here that you'll use. And then finally, there's the places one. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for the graph search drill. I hope you guys know how to use the software correctly now. I just want to make one more point so you guys will remember this. To be able to edit these fields, please remember you have to use the checkbox, okay? Otherwise you won't be able to edit the different templates. Okay, so I hope that gives you a good idea about how to fill it in, how to search within Facebook with the tool, and also what kind of stuff you can use it for. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.